afternoon. Yeah, it's already afternoon. It's already 1:30 in the afternoon. What's up? What's up, mga babaero? So for today's vlog, I'm planning to shoot bike check. They will do bike check and then some clips I gotta write for today. Maybe it's not gonna rain, so let's go. What's up, Herb? Today on our how many videos? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 videos. The second one, it's about my bike, and I'll do a bike check about that bike. The bike that I use here in Japan. So let's start. Okay, here's my bike. Let's start from the top. The handlebar. My handlebar is Fiend BMX Got Reynolds signature bar, 9.25 rise, 27.25 wide. Yeah. And on the grips, I use this Fiend BMX team grips. They are pretty worn up, and here's the other side. On the stem, I use this Fiend BMX Reynolds V3 stem, the newest and latest Reynolds stem. And on the headset, I use the Philippine local brand Scrap Bikes headset, integrated headset. And going down on the fork, I use this Fiend BMX IC fork, 20mm offset. This fork is very good for nose tricks, nose manuals, and doing some pivot stuff, 360s, 180s. They are easy to pull. And the next part, my front wheel set, the hub that I use is a stock Salt female front hub. By the way, this one is from my previous bike, the first one that I bought. It's a Sabrosa Complete 2018 Letum BMX. The hub guard is Salt BMX 2. The rim is, I don't know, maybe it's a Sabrosa or Shadow BMX. And on the tire, I use this Sunday Jake Seeley signature tires. They are 2.4 size. Tires are very good and I like them. And on the pegs, I uses Ikla Venom pegs. They are 38 by 122. The longest one maybe less than 5 inch. Yeah, they are good on grinding. Yes. So here is the main part, the frame. My frame is Reynolds signature Fiend BMX V1 frame. The color is marble red, or I like it to be blood red. The top tube size is 20.75. The head tube is 75.5. I'm not sure. Angle. And the chain stays 13.5. I really love this color and this frame. Maybe someday I will change the newer version, the version 2 with a shorter back end. Next, we're going to the seat. I use the Fiend Timoro V2 pivotal seat. And on the seat post, it's just a pivotal seat post that came from my old bike. It's not an expensive one. And on the Drivetrain, in the center, let's start with the bottom bracket. This bottom bracket is Scrap Bites Philippine brand, 19mm mid bottom bracket, and the cranks is Scrap Bites Bicep 165mm chrome ones. On the pedal, I use Ikla. I forgot the name. And then the Drivetrain, here I uses this sprocket, the Fiend BMX Reynolds sprocket with wash guard. It's a plastic one. 25 teeth. Yeah. And on the chain, this Scrap Bikes half liquid chain, Philippine brand. And we're going to the last part, the main part. I use a pre-coaster hub, and it's a Philippine brand too. Scrap Bikes Chip Hard. Yeah, Chip Hard. It's a 9-tooth driver, 30 soles, left side drive, and on the drive side guard I use a Cinema VX. And on the non-drive side guard, I use a Salt hub guard. On the rim, it's the same with the front. It came from my Sabrosa BMX. And the tire that I use is the same in the front, Sunday BMX Jig Silly tire. And the pigs, the same 4 pigs that you got venom. Yeah, that's it, my bike check. So most of my parts are Fiend BMX because maybe you'll notice it. Gar Reynolds is my the one that I look up to on riding BMX street. It's my idol, and that's for today. Our BMX bike check. Guys, that's for today's vlog. Thanks for watching my bike check. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell for the upcoming videos. So that's it. Ayun, oつかれさまでした。